Welcome to my next video on how to install and run a virus scanner. For this video I have done a few things. I was going to set up a virtual machine so I didn't destroy my actual machine and put a virus on it so it would find it, but I since discovered that this laptop doesn't have a virus scanner on it, so I'm going to do it on this one. So the steps that I'm going to run are recommended by AVG. Now, AVG is my absolute favorite virus scanner. It is worldwide known with 25 accolades, and I promise that's the only promotional that I'll do for it. I personally don't use it to its full potential. I just use it as a virus scanner. However, you can use it as a PC tune-up tool, a private networking tool, etc., etc. So let's check it out. So let's go to Chrome. And let's look for AVG. AVG, and we want free. And top one. And we want free download, so we download that. And then we click on it to open it, and we click on yes, and it'll go away and install. Now, while it's installing, if you do actually get a virus, you may need to do a few things. So firstly, you may need to reinstall software and recover damaged files. You may need to improve your defenses. Keep your virus scanner up to date, which will help you to prevent your computer from getting viruses or malware. AVG is easy to install and offers quick and easy updates for effortless protection. Now I'm going to click install, and it's going to go and install, and while it's installing I'm going to continue on with what I was saying. So make a backup. So back up all your files often and store them on an external drive. Now I generally store all my documents in either Dropbox or OneDrive. This allows me to continually work across multiple PCs without having anything that gets damaged. However, this is bad because Dropbox is actually easy to hack, and someone might access your documents. So don't keep anything on there that you don't want people to find. I personally haven't had a great experience with external drives lasting too long, so if you do take this option, make sure you copy the contents off onto another drive. So proactive steps to prevent another virus. As I said, install the latest antivirus software, make sure your Windows or software is all up to date, back up your data regularly, avoid pop-up messages that claim to have detected a problem, they're usually malware. Think before you click. Avoid websites that provide pirated material. If you do want to download this sort of stuff, not that I endorse this type of behavior, use a virtual machine, because this way you can trash it, delete it, and start again. When you're out and about, please do not use open Wi-Fi. If you are at a local coffee shop or library, especially at the airport, don't use the free-to-air Wi-Fi. It's just stupid. Think about it. If you can access it so easily, what can a trained hacker do? So the other thing to point out is to use multiple strong passwords. I'm guilty of this one. I don't do this myself. If you do this, however, and it is discovered like myself, then it only takes a second to hack your account. Use strong passwords. My passwords are stronger, I might add. Include lower, uppercase, numbers, and symbols in your passwords, and keep it easy to remember but difficult to guess, and do not use pet names or dates. Now, AVG has been happily installing itself in the background. While it's happily installing itself, the one thing to do if you do get a virus is to delete your temp data off your C drive. So to do that, I just pressed on the Windows file, and then I go to Properties, I go to Disk Cleanup, and we want to delete all of our temp files. So we want to delete all this stuff. There's 12 gig in the, I don't know what's in my recycle bin, but you know, we're going to delete it. So we're going to click on that, and then we're going to click OK, and we do want to delete these files, so we click delete files and it'll go away and clean up your C drive. And we will just wait happily for that to do its thing. So we'll close it now, so that's all done, so that's all happy. AVG is taking its sweet time to install. One of the things that I can perhaps talk about what AVG is installing is other virus scanners that I've used. I've used Norton. I don't like Norton very much. I've gotten a virus on Norton. I've used a couple of the free ones, McAfee or McAfee, whatever however you say it. Gotten a virus off that one. So AVG I've used for many years and never gotten a virus off it. It is easy to use. It is free. I actually do have the paid version that I use. I just don't have it installed on this PC, so that is what we're doing. So yeah, we will just wait for that to go, I guess. And maybe we can talk about the weather, because the weather is pretty nice here today. And the wallpaper that I'm using currently is from Daily Wallpapers from Windows. Quite nice. And hopefully I've fixed my sound quality for this video. I'm still learning. I would really appreciate your feedback or tips or whatever you might have that you can give me. Yay, it's finally done. So now once it's installed, forgive me, it will appear on our little icon-y bar. So we click on the little icon-y bar and we click on AVG. It says that I'm protected. We click on the AVG icon and AVG will open eventually. And it says you are protected. That's fantastic. So we click continue. We don't want to do it on my phone right now, so we click on that bottom link. And it will eventually open. So if we want to run a scan, we just click the scan computer and it will go away and scan everything. This is really boring to watch, so I'm not going to record this. I'm just going to trigger it off and it will go away and scan and find any viruses that it may find. So that is all I have time for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Please like, subscribe, or comment on my video. I'm still learning. I still have a lot to learn. I really want to make my channel about teaching people how to do stuff like this. For me, it's quite easy and mundane because I do it all the time, but not everybody is like this. So please do that. I hope to see you in my next video. Yeah, look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.